Hey there, Escambia County Public Schools. Are you ready for your next cybersecurity challenge? It's time to level up your data privacy. So join us for this tech tip in a flash with your IT professional learning team. Be a data champ and defeat Cypher, the master of malware and a phishing fiend. He's on the prowl for your personal data, so defend it and keep your information secure. Before you begin, understand the importance of data privacy. The sensitive information that we deal with on a day-to-day basis must be handled with care. The extra measures that we take will protect from potential harm, such as identity theft, fraud, or even data leakage. This helps to build trust with our families and maintain a reputation for being good data stewards. This also allows us to comply with federal regulations such as FERPA. As you move through the challenge, make sure that you're aware of how you're handling information that can be used to identify or locate an individual, such as their full name, address, ID number or social, or even little pieces of their medical and health records. Defend Your Data Level 1 is all about creating strong passwords. Don't let Cypher win. Use strong and unique passwords for different websites. Think long phrases or a mix of characters, and consider using a password manager, a trusty sidekick in a digital battle. Awesome job! You created a password Cypher couldn't crack. Level 2 of Defend Your Data is all about phishing. Beware of suspicious emails, links, and attachments that look too good to be true. Remember, Cypher is a master of disguise, so when in doubt, report it. Way to go, you're no phishing fool. You didn't fall for Cypher's tricks. Level 3 is all about securing devices. Lock before you walk. Secure your devices when stepping away. Cypher may be sneaky, but don't make it easy on them. Great job, you leveled up. Cypher couldn't get past you. Congratulations, Player 1. You have stopped Cypher and kept PII secure. You're a data privacy champ. Be a cybersecurity hero and check out the other levels.